Hello, I have a box here from Christensen. I've been working with this company for a couple of years now, and this is my third rifle with them, and I'm really excited to show it to you, so I have an unboxing. Let's see. Alright, so this is their modern precision rifle, Rimfire. So I got it in a 17 HMR. It's really nice. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I wanted a 17 HMR because I wanted a Predator rifle. So I wanted something that could fit on the handlebars of my snow machine, or that I could throw in my pack alongside my hunting rifle in case we come across any wolverine, wolves. We're constantly bumping into predators, and I want to have something that's easily accessible. The reason why this one in particular is so cool, and what Christensen has added with their MPR, is that they have these folding stocks. So it has a pistol grip for mag pull, and then the stock folds and it's got a magnetic hold at the end here, so it makes it super compact. So this I can have mounted easily on the front of my snow machine. It would fit the mount that I have currently on my handlebars, making this super accessible for me if we come across a pack of wolves or across a wolverine when we're checking the trap line. It'll easily be mounted on the front of my handlebars. I can pull it right off and access it. And then if I wanted a better grip, the stock pops right out. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It came nicely packaged with some information, a welcome to the family card, everything, the owner's manual, everything you need to know on your MPR Rimfire. The bolt is here in this nice box with some gun oil. So everything on this rifle is lightweight, just like how all of Christensen makes their products. So everything weighs barely nothing. I think I'd have to look at the specs. I think this weighs just about 6 pounds. All right, so here it is. This is the Christensen MPR Rimfire. I'm just thrilled to have this in the lineup this year, and you're gonna see a lot of it this winter. Hopefully getting on some wolves and some other predators, whatever we cross. So thanks for being here, and